Earlier this morning, we were the first customers at Target, and we went in and selected some new Cars 3 toys, which just hit the shelves this morning. Our other video, we review the Target exclusive Desert Race 11-pack. Now, these are some of the cars that we brought home with us that are the individual packages, and we're going to open them all up. So this is Smokey. Now, he doesn't look exactly like a tow truck, but he's a little bit like Mater, so I'm guessing that Smokey is going to be some kind of friend of Mater's in Cars 3.
Yeah.
So let's open up Smokey and see what he's all about. All right, so here is Smokey. He's pretty cool. Now, my guess is, are they in another town, or does Smokey come to Radiator Springs?
It's spit. Puppy.
I don't know.
Puppy. Wait, puppy.
But Smokey's pretty cool. Now I can't wait to see Cars 3 just to see who Smokey is and what he's all about. Okay, another one that Mateo wanted because he liked the color is Tommy Highbanks. So Tommy, I'm sure, is just another one of the racers. Let's open him up and see what Tommy looks like outside his package. He really does have a cool paint scheme. And there's a little bit of a play on words. It says faux wheel drive. Faux wheel drive dirt decals. He does have a very, very cool color scheme. I like that a lot, and I like the, since Dirt Decals is the sponsor, that's actually what he's got going on there. It looks like a forest. There you go. And Mateo got a little ahead of us here and opened up Buck Bearingly before I had a chance to film it. But no big deal. Let's take an up-close look at Buck. He has the View Zine sponsor and the sky blue and gold color scheme. Very nice looking. Now here is Natalie Certain. She is not a race car. She is actually the analyst in Cars 3 who's on the TV sports network that carries all the racing, who basically says that Lightning's career is over. Okay,
yeah.
So let's open up Natalie Certain.
Okay. Beep, beep, beep.
You know, again, she's nothing special, but we'll give you a close-up. All right. This is Danny Swerves, and you can see he actually looks a lot like the Jackson Storm, at least the shape of his car. Let's open him up. He's hard to get open. I just didn't do him right. All right. Oh, he is nice. All right. He has the Octane Gain sponsor on the back. And both he and Jackson are very futuristic. And that is an incredibly cool paint job that he's got going on. And it makes me wonder, is he part of the same team as Jackson Storm? Because their cars are, you know, very futuristic, and a lot of the other cars that we've done so far that are racers still seem to look like the ones from the first movie. So I guess we'll have to wait for Cars 3 to come out to find out the answer to that question. I am super excited about this one. This is the Dinoco Cruz Ramirez. So let's open her up. Cruz is the one who is training Lightning for his big comeback. We've seen images of her without the Dinoco logos, and when I saw one of her with the Dinoco logo a few months back, I was really, really excited. She is super, super cool. Again, very modern Dinoco logo. This one with just the lettering, the dinosaur not featured in it. Well, that's not true. The dinosaur is in it, but the dinosaur is over on the side. And the blue is very cool combined with her her yellow. And then there's actually the Dinoco logo on the back that we're most familiar with. But it does look very cool to see the Dinoco on the top and on the spoiler without the dinosaur. So she is a very, very important character in the new movie. And this is a must-have, I think, for any Cars 3 collection. You have to have the Dinoco Cruz Ramirez. Now, everything else I bought was the smaller size. This one is the slightly larger size. If I'd seen a smaller version of this one, I would have gotten it, but we had to get Miss Fritter. She is the Demolition Derby school bus. I know that some Demolition Derby scenes are featured in the new Cars 3. And she is really awesome. Here is our close-up. Wow. The smokestack horns. We've got the cages over the windows. It's fritter time, it says. And she collects street signs and all the license plates of the cars that she has defeated. So this is definitely one of the cool additions to the movie, I think, is Miss Fritter. It's going to be really exciting to see her in Cars 3. So these are all the cars we got today, including the ones from the Desert Race 11 pack that we featured in our other video. Hope you enjoyed them. Hope you'll be able to go out and get some of your own. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe for more Cars 3 videos.